Madam Secretary, isa pang bagay, no? Kasi kung magagawan po ng paraan ng mabawasan yung bayad sa biyahe, namo-monitor nyo po ba yung mga establishment naman sa mga tourist spot? Kasi we understand, ang reklamo ng ilan, kung ano po yung singil sa mga dayuhan,
Ganun din
ganun
singil
din
sa
ang singil sa
local.
mga lokal. Parang ano tayo, foreign, anong tawag doon?
Yung
Yung cost
oo,
ng mga bilihin doon sa mga particular na destination natin, Ma'am Secretary?
Well, the DOT, through its regional offices, continues its monitoring and oversight over our tourism destinations. At the same time, we recognize that the primary jurisdiction over pricing, of course, falls within the Department of Trade and Industry. Although, as far as accredited tourism enterprises are concerned, meron po tayong mechanism na kung meron po tayong mga kababayan o mga tourists that they feel they have been overpriced with what they are going to experience as a tour product, maaari po tayong mag-file ng complaint, no, with the DOT. Or, so convenient po sa kanila, maaari po silang tumawag sa ating Tourist Assistance Call Center, 151 Tour or 8687. They can raise this matter para naman po at ma-refer po natin either to the DTI, to our DOT accreditation office, or to the LGU so that it can be regulated po.